So friends, today in this video I will show after turning on your laptop or PC, it is showing preparing automatic repair. So how to fix this problem and why this problem occur. Then don't worry, by watching this video completely, your problem will definitely be solved. You can fix this problem at home by following the steps I will show you in the video. So you have to watch the video completely, do not skip the video, and if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. After that, looking here, diagnosing your PC is visible. It is diagnosing the PC. The automatic repair blue screen, you will get only two options, one restart and one advanced option. Here you have to click on it advanced option. After click on the advanced option, the continue option is visible at the top. First of all, you have to click on. If after clicking on the continue option, your problem gets resolved after processing, then it is fine. Otherwise, troubleshoot option, you have to click on it. After clicking on the troubleshoot option, look here, you will get the startup repair option. You have to click on it. By doing this, if there is any issue in your hard disk, it will diagnose and fix it. Startup repair may take you 10 to 15 minutes. Keep in mind, do not let system shut down. This will not solve your problem. Keep the system on. So look, our processing here has been completed. Look here, you will get shutdown option. Then you will simply have to shut down the system. After that, system has been shut down. And now I am turning on the system. So look here, no error is visible right now. Operating system Windows 10 is opening, which means by doing this my problem has been solved. If doing this your problem gets solved, then it is fine. Otherwise, I will show you third step. For that you will need a bootable pendrive. You will reinstall the Windows, fix this problem. Don't worry, if you don't know how to create bootable pendrive, then I will give the link in the description, so you can go and check out. So here I am installing Windows. If you don't know how to install Windows, I am giving a video in the I button. Go and see how to install the Windows. Okay, in this video I will show how can this problem solve. So if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the new video.